I had a car inverter some time back which I was using to charge laptops, but later it got damaged and I was on the lookout for one. This one I bought from Amazon and it arrived today. We'll go through some of the specifications printed on the cover. Input voltage DC 12 volt, output 220 volts, frequency 50 Hz, modified sine wave, and there is input over voltage and under voltage protection, overheating protection, weighs just 300 grams, and there are USB ports for output and also USB Type C PD power delivery 30 watt output port. There are a few tips mentioned. The temperature rise and fan noise are normal phenomena during the use of this product. Please make sure that the appliance you are using does not exceed 200 watts. Even that will not be possible in my car, which has only a 120 watt output socket, 10 amperes 12 volt. So I will not be using heavy things in this. I will be just using my laptop charger rated for 65 watts. There are a couple of 220 volts sockets, 3-pin sockets, and a plug is provided for plugging the device into car cigarette lighter adapter. Here is a side view showing the USB ports and USB power delivery port as well as the cigarette lighter adapter plug. As a bench test, before taking it to the car, I have plugged it into a cigarette lighter adapter connected to my solar charge controller. It is showing 13 volts. Switched it on using that button seen near the display and measured the output voltage. It is around 240 volts. Connected a 70 watt pedestal fan and the voltage dropped up to 10.9 and the device got switched off and the fan also stopped working. I have noted this problem earlier also with a similar smaller device in which the fan refused to run and the device was not powering on when the fan was connected. So I presume that this is not a good load for SMPS like this. Maybe we have to use other types of loads. After all, you are not going to use a pedestal fan inside your car. Maximum you will be using small fans meant for cars. So this inverter is probably not meant for usual pedestal fans being used inside our homes.